Colesy's Corner.
Here is my superstar buddy, Lincoln. You are just awesome, aren't you, Link? I love having you on Colesy's Corner. So welcome guys. Today, as promised, we're now doing some water balloon fish. Now instead of just blowing up the balloons, what did we have to do to the balloons before we tied them up? Blow, and we filled them up with?
Water.
They are like water bombs now. Well done, Link. They are like a water bomb, and we're gonna put some googly eyes and make little balloon fish again. Okay, but this time there's gonna be something funny that's gonna happen to them as well, isn't there? You go first. It's always good to have tissues or paper nearby to soak up the excess glue. Okay, so we've put our eyes on, very nice. They will dry nicely. Hello! I'm a balloon fish! And Link's finishing that one. Now while you're doing that, Link, I'm
done!
Good job! Alright, now while you're doing that, I forgot to tell everyone that we need sticky tape. We need sticky tape to put over the tip of the balloon like that. Not the knot part, everyone. The tip, okay? So the tip like this.
Can I put it on the tip?
Absolutely. Go for it. Okay. And then I think that's just going to help it when we pierce the hole in the fish. Oh, we want some help? It is a bit tricky, and those edges are a bit sharp, aren't they? There you are. Perfect. Okay, that might do. All right, now, this is the part as well where you're going to need an adult and have something sharp like a needle. Oh, here we go. Whee! I'm gonna wet you. All right, there we go. We made a cute little balloon fish, and we're gonna do the same to Lincoln's, and then we're gonna go outside and have a water fight. Thanks for watching Colesy's Corner. Wave goodbye.